From Robocop to The Matrix, there is usually a depiction of dystopia surrounding the idea of artificial intelligence. Over the years, the sentience on screen has presented technological advances and has bridged the gap between science fiction and science fact. So we know AI is definitely here and it's definitely not going anywhere. However, this depiction of artificial intelligence presented in film and cinema is somewhat dystopian in perception. This obviously isn't the case in reality. AI is becoming more beneficial to business processes and success, challenging that perception we're seeing on screen. But not only this, the development of AI has gained notoriety within recent years and has become part of a modern cultural zeitgeist with its numerous and expansive capabilities, both beneficial to everyday life and business. But what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is a term which has undergone many iterations and evolutions in meaning. AI leverages computers and machines to mimic the problem-solving and decision-making capabilities of the human mind. While it can be assumed that there are several definitions of AI which have surfaced over the last few decades, John McCarthy, one of the founding fathers of artificial intelligence, defines AI as such: the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It is related to the similar task of using computers to understand human intelligence, but AI does not have to confine itself to methods that are biologically observable. So, simply put, artificial intelligence is systems that act like humans. As a result of development of artificial intelligence, it is arguably changing the world for the better. Changing the workforce, AI is creating new jobs. This bleak view and argument of AI being a job killer is only one side of that coin. Yes, it is making menial and repetitive jobs obsolete due to machine learning and automation. However, with the rise in AI, we're seeing more emerging and engaging and less repetitive jobs. Therefore, we're allowing workers to have an opportunity to focus on parts of the job that they might be more satisfied with. It might be more satisfying for them to participate in them whilst using more depth of knowledge to complete a complex task or job. AI is allowing the world to become a smaller and more accessible place. Obviously not physically, AI has the capabilities to bridge language divides. So if you're learning a new language or you need to translate speech in real time, there are AI-powered language tools to help. Some of the more popular tools like Duolingo or Google Translate are now bridging the sociological and cultural gap in our worldwide community. From workplaces, classrooms, and whilst travelling, these real-time digital translations offer a means of understanding which probably wouldn't have been possible without AI. As AI becomes increasingly commonplace in this zeitgeist, it will only grow easier for your company to take advantage of its benefits. Customers are already quickly becoming accustomed to interacting with automated systems, so the ability to provide customers with simple, easy-to-use solutions will probably set you apart from the competition. AI has already revolutionised how many businesses operate and will continue to enhance customer service offerings and key business metrics like revenue and return on investment in more ways than we can probably currently imagine. Simulating the functions of human intelligence processed by machines, AI can make cars self-driving and identify risks more accurately in various industries. As well as this, AI can understand data of a journey, so notifying users about traffic and ETAs and giving the best route to a user's desired location. Travel will only develop into an easier and more accessible experience thanks to AI. Artificial intelligence is redefining the traditional boundaries of art. Being such a broad term, the definition of art has always been difficult to define. So taking the definition of art as it is, the expression or application of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form such as painting or sculpture, producing works to be appreciated primarily for their beauty or emotional power. And you can argue that there is an explicit reference to the human when it comes to the creation of art. Therefore, it sparks an interesting debate over whether AI-generated art is true art due to the lack of the human component in its creation. The modern art movement was renowned for challenging this rational ideology and pushing the boundaries of what is considered art. Anything could be art if it is perceived as art. For example, the orange duct tape to a wall can be considered modern art. The performative act of eating said orange could be considered performance and thus performance art. Keeping in mind, it can be argued that AI-generated art can be seen as a subsection or new genre of art which has been around for years. Yet the rise in discussions about artificial intelligence in the modern zeitgeist has only triggered this heightened popularity over this debate. Computer vision, a scientific field that deals with how computers gain high-level understanding from digital images or videos like this one, was the most popular brand of machine learning and AI art before the deep learning and art explosion in the later 2010s and early 2020s. AI art systems have never stopped improving how they see and perceive the world, and AI-generated art has advanced significantly throughout the last decade with the help of generative models and networks. These networks create images using data sets they've been trained on and develop their learning through machine learning. Similarly to AI technologies within the business world, AI-generated art is at our disposal now with countless AI art generators available for free to use. You can simply input text prompts, and the artificial intelligence develops visual outcomes based on these datasets. It continuously learns from these, so you can produce really awesome images like this one. Some of the AI art generators that I'm putting on screen now are likely to continue to develop and evolve into highly sophisticated art engines. It is clear that AI is continuously growing, and who's to say that the development of this will continuously impact the world of art and transform the perceived definition of what we believe art to be. Businesses of all sizes are increasingly realising the importance of implementing artificial intelligence to help them achieve both short-term and long-term goals. But for the greatest benefit, businesses should look at putting the full range of smart technologies, which includes machine learning and natural language processing, and more, into their processes and products. However, businesses that are new to AI can reap major rewards. AI technologies have the power to change the infrastructure drastically by increasing work efficiency, reducing overall business costs, allowing for more rapid expansion, and reducing the risk of security attacks. Within the business realm, the introduction of AI also allows companies to gain a competitive advantage over their rivals in the market. With the increasing rate of technological innovations and advances in line with exponential growth of varying AI technologies, the market dynamics will adjust accordingly. The business which adopts and embraces these technologies' innovations will enable more flexible and modern strategies, consequently allowing for a significant increase in their chances of financial and overall organisational success. Not only this, but as consumers increase their engagement within the digital marketplace, the wealth of behavioural data can produce meaningful insights in your target market for customers' location, job role, interest, and loads more. With the implementation of AI technologies, this data and information will be used to inform your sales and marketing departments' campaigns, consumer experience, and marketing insights. As a result, it creates more fiscal success. So overall, using artificial intelligence within your organisation can yield fantastic benefits for those open to exploring the utility. The effect that these technologies produce is vast and expanding, meaning that as they develop, they will be able to benefit organisations in new and exciting ways. So in short, when using AI in your organisation, it can boost revenue, enhance customer experience, create insightful analysis, optimise your pricing, save time, reducing costs, and loads of other advantages. It's definitely not going anywhere, we've already covered that. The technological growth of AI and the cultural awareness of AI within the modern zeitgeist isn't stopping anytime soon. The capabilities of AI are wide and expansive. They are only going to develop further and expand on human capabilities. So who's to say I didn't get AI to write this out for me? So are the robots really taking over? A business that doesn't accept these capabilities of artificial intelligence and implement it within their organisation will quickly struggle in the competitive landscape of business. If you want to learn more about how we can help implement AI into your organisation, let's discuss how we can help you make that transformation from science fiction to data science fact.